So the guy was laughing when we asked for more sauce.
Why? This is why.
Oh, that's atomic. The hottest sauce. Everybody, Giuseppe here.
Susan here.
And today, oh fuck. But today we got a video for you guys. Today is a real day because I went ahead and just got off work. Susan went ahead and picked me up because we carpool to school and then we drive to work. Susan carries on about her day while I'm at work, and then now we're back. What's that?
There's a dog.
Oh, there's a dog in the car. And in front of us is the gym, California Family Fitness. Today is Susan. What is your day today? What are you gonna work out?
I'm gonna work at glutes.
Glutes. Booty. So Susan, we're gonna have some booty, some glutes. Today for me is a cardio day, so I'm gonna go ahead, do 10 minutes of walking, and then I'm actually gonna go ahead and swim a little bit, and it's cold outside. See you guys inside the gym.
Susan.
Ooh. Nice outfit.
Thank you.
Dang, where'd you get that from? Stay tuned.
When I was still living in Norway, Giuseppe was talking and betting Nasir that he would win, and then Nasir said, "If you lose, Nasir's gonna take me on a date." Is it happening? Warm up. Ooh, just warm up, baby. Baby, please don't lose. Please don't lose.
I'm not gonna lose. See, the thing is, in high school, we were in swim team together, and I kicked his ass. But since then, Giuseppe gained quite a bit of weight.
Baby, you look good.
Thank you. But Nasir thinks he could beat me now. But I gotta hold on to my thorn. It's like we're out of retirement.
Oh, this is so fun! Woo! I'm excited. I'm counting down from now. Ready, set, go!
All together.
I actually want to see it from this view. Seppi came first over there. Come on, Nasir! Woo! Woo! Nasir stopped. I think he just thought that we're gonna stop over there.
Did you get hurt?
No, I got tired.
Really?
Yeah. No, it's gas. What's that song myself?
Wait. Hey, we're back!
Baby's super excited. Her first time she filmed herself.
At the gym.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
And now
We're
it's
gonna
time
be-
to do something dangerous.
Sam, what can I get for you tonight?
Yeah, I was interested in getting 20 boneless wings, 15 atomic, and 5 lemon pepper, please. Why are you laughing?
She's like, you guys gonna die.
Are we gonna die off that? Yeah.
Yeah, we love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. It's heavy? Thank you. So the guy was laughing when we asked for more sauce.
Why? This is why.
Oh, that's atomic. The hottest sauce. Okay, Susan. Time to take that first bite.
Okay, are you ready? You want to take one with me?
Oh, this is all you at first. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. That's soup.
I'll take this one. They're just so big. All of them are so big.
Why can't he had put in an extra cup for us?
Because it's plastic. Save the turtles.
Save the turtles.
Okay, I'm gonna have this one. You ready?
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Yeah,
puppy.
that's why I was laughing too.
Baby. This is so bad.
It's so good. It's so spicy.
That's dangerous.
It's your turn. No, that's not even sauce.
Hey, I don't like it with sauce, okay? I'm different. This is already atomic. This is more than enough already.
He's wiping it off.
Ow. Yep. That's crazy. That's insane.
I don't think it's spicy anymore. It's sad.
It's spicy for me. Oh my, good morning.
Good morning.
Susan just woke, well, I mean, I woke up too, but Susan literally just woke up. As I was leaving to school, jumps in the car. She was,
Overslept.
yeah, she ran with no shoes on or anything. Super cute. Oh, if I didn't see her, she would have went running after me, and then she might have cried if I didn't see her. Ooh, stinky. No, I'm just kidding.
No!
And then, anywho, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We are getting ready, or not ready. We are headed our way to school, driving in the little car, and trying to make today a good day.
See you later.
See you later. Hi, baby.
Hi. But what I'm doing right now is creating a Costco shopping list. We're at Costco right now. So instead of walking in and doesn't know what to get, we like to write everything down in our notes, and then we walk in, and we'll save a lot of time when we're in there, and money.
Mm-hmm. Need something else? You were so happy to get that. I cannot believe your face when you look at you. And what's so good about it? I don't know.
Texture.
Texture. Yeah.
Texture is good. It's good. It's salty.
And it's only 0 calories.
I still come. What time is it?
It's 11.
It's 10:57. It's time for gym.
excited?
Kind of terrified, honestly.
You ready? waiter warned us about these, but they're not that hot. They're hot, but not like I'm gonna kill you hot.
Okay.
The time is here again. I'm gonna be honest, before I step on the scale, I'm thinking it's gonna be bad. The last week has been very difficult. We've been having chicken wings. We've been eating out. My workouts have suffered a little bit. I'm really nervous for this one, I gotta admit. Last time I started off at 225, then I went to 224, and then the other week I was 219, and that's a big drop.
Okay, and your goal is to?
Well, I'm just trying to get under 200.
Okay, let's see.
Oh no.
What? That's good.
That's bad though.
No,
it
that's
was
good. I'm
219.
actually impressed.
No, I'm not. I was 219, so I gained 3 pounds.
But can I tell you one thing though? After what we have been eating,
What?
or after what you have been eating,
What?
that's good.
Oh, after what I've been eating. So if you don't get it, like you've seen this video, I am probably holding so much more water than normally. I generally think I'm still that 219 range because I think I didn't do anything to drop weight necessarily, but I didn't really do anything to gain weight either. I think this is a lot of just different water placement. Yeah, I think you can kind of see it in my face. So I just need to really buckle down and I need to make sure that my calories are getting counted. But enough about me. Let's see what Susan's weigh-in is for today.
So it's my turn. I have also been doing good.
You've been doing good?
I've been joking. I've been doing bad.
You bad of what? Not eating enough or?
I feel like I haven't been eating enough to what I should be eating, but at the same time I've been eating like not unhealthy, but a lot of chicken. But that's proteins. But the thing is with me, I only have like almost just one big meal during the day because I'm waiting for Seppi to eat. So here, now it's my turn to step on this.
Nice leggings, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
You trying to make it heavy? So Susan and I have been sitting here. Oh my gosh, Oswald's was attacking her. She's trying to understand how she gained weight. She wants to wear a sweatshirt so she can weigh more. And I'm not trying to be mean and bust her out. The point that I'm saying is, so she's been tracking her calories. And the thing is, it's set to a point that makes her lose weight. I think if Susan were to eat 18 to 2,000 calories a day, yes, then you would start slowly putting on the weight that you want. You'd probably start to gain a good ½ pound to maybe a pound a week.
Still want to be petite and have a lot of muscle.
That's a little dilemma that we're facing. But yeah, there's our weigh-in. We're both reaching each other's goals. I'm getting Susan's goals and then Susan's getting my goal. So we obviously have something to learn from each other.
You can start to use my app.
Yeah, I gotta start using the app much more. I only use it like twice a week, and then the other days I'm like, that's about that much. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. This video was completely filmed on my iPhone. I just want to see the quality and see how it is.
It's an iPhone 10 Pro.
Yeah. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, leave me in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next video.
I love you.
Zep out.
Susie out.
Bye.
Bye.